Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 5.1, question number 1. Graph the solution set of the following inequality. 3y minus 4 is less than equal to 0. This is part 6 of question number 1. So we start the solution. The given inequality is 3y minus 4 is less than equals to 0. We name this inequality as 1. First of all, we are going to write its corresponding equation. So when I write its corresponding equation, all I have to do is replace this inequality sign by equals to sign. So the corresponding equation will become 3y minus 4 equals to 0. You can evaluate y from it. So you will get 3y equals to 4, and then you will get y equals to 4 by 3. You know that this is a horizontal line passing through y equals to 4 by 3. Now for reference point, we use origin. So simply put origin, that is 0, 0 in inequality number 1. Here it is. Just put x equals to 0. You can see there is no x in it. So only put y equals to 0. What will happen? 3 into 0 will become 0. 0 minus 4, that is only minus 4 will be left on this side. So when you put 0, 0 in 1, you get minus 4 is less than or equal to 0, which is a true sentence. Result, origin satisfies this inequality, means origin lies in the solution region. Origin lies in the solution region. Let's get to the graph. When you will draw this graph on the graph paper, you better use this scale. 2 small square equals to 1 by 3. So this is 1 by 3, again 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3. Same on x-axis and same on negative side and same on this negative side. Now I have to draw y equals to 4 by 3. So here it is, y equals to 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, and here it is 4 by 3. Let's draw this. So this is the point y equals to 4 by 3, and I have to draw a horizontal line passing through this particular value. So here it is. Where it is? Let me draw it once again. I will try to draw it once again. Sometimes software doesn't like our methods. Okay, so here it is. This is the required line. Let's put some arrowheads on it. One arrowhead here and another arrowhead here. You can see this is a horizontal line passing through the point y equals to 4 by 3. Now origin lies in the solution region. So where it is? Here is the origin. This origin lies in the solution region. You can see this line is dividing the whole xy plane into 2 regions. One is above it and the other is below it. Origin is in the below region, so it means the whole region below this line. This is our solution region. Now let's shade it. Now I am going to shade it with this star. The whole starred region is our solution region, and that completes the solution. Now let's see how you will plot it on the graph paper. You can see here is a graph paper. I have drawn x-axis and the y-axis, and what is the scale? 2 small square equals to 1 by 3. So you can see after 2 small square, 1 mark, this is for 1 by 3. Next 2 small square, 2 by 3. Next 2 small square, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, and so on. On y-axis, 1 by 3, after 2 small square, 2 by 3, then 3 by 3, and then this is 4 by 3. And we have to draw the line y equals to 4 by 3. So it is a horizontal line passing through y equals to 4 by 3. So simply passing through y equal to 4 by 3, draw a horizontal line. So this is the required line. You can see this line is dividing the whole graph paper into 2 parts. One part of the graph paper is above the line. The other part of the graph paper is below the line, and origin lies in the below part. In our solution, we have decided that origin lies in the solution region. So you can see this is origin, it lies on this side of the line. So we have shaded this region. So this is the solution region. And that completes the solution.